1 मिनट इंग्लिश के इस लेसन में हम सीखेंगे हम पास्ट में कुछ सेंटेंसेस को कैसे बोल सकते हैं कनेक्टर्स को यूज करते हुए. सो लेट्स प्रैक्टिस विद मी. I woke up early in the morning and started my day with a smile. Then I finished my work and learned something new. Afterwards, I had a break or I took a break because I was feeling tired. Then in the evening, I talked to my friends and relaxed. And finally, I planned my next day so that I can be organized. So now, a challenge for you, write me down in the comment section 2 sentences in the past while using these connectors. Hope this will be helpful. तब तक के लिए follow me daily for 1 minute English and have a look on this small lesson and get big improvement.